Many gurus won't tell you this. Your brain operates absolutely differently. Are not even aware of this, they don't know it. After spending more than 20 years in medicine trying to look for different treatments, diagnoses, medications, whatever, then coming to my own realization how spiritual world affects everything, coming closer to God, why it's not working for you specifically. They already forgot it all because they've been living here for a while. I'm gonna share in this video why so many gurus out there, and obviously there might be some that are speaking truth, it might be some that are not speaking truth. Be aware of that. What is missing that is not necessarily something they want to hide. I've noticed this. Those gurus, they would keep telling you the same thing. For many people it doesn't work. Why? After spending more than 20 years in medicine trying to look for different treatments, diagnoses, medications, whatever, then coming to my own realization how spiritual world affects everything, coming closer to God, trying to get more into neuroscience, being in psychiatry, a doctor psychiatrist, mine was always one of the most fascinating topics for me. It's very related to neuroscience. There's a lot of patterns I saw that is connecting neuroscience and faith and spiritual world and trust in Jesus Christ. Here a book about Psalm 91. Amazing if you haven't read it yet. It's gonna change your life. Not sponsored, just truly speaking what I experienced, what millions of people experienced. What they are telling you to do might be the right steps, good examples, why it's not working for you specifically, why it's not working for me, why it didn't work for me. Talk here about my real life stories or my patient stories. A lot of things people talk don't work necessarily for one another for a specific reason. Let's bring an example. Somebody believes in really hard work and they work so hard, but they have this deep subconscious belief that was programmed when they were little and they don't even realize they might have it because it went so deep inside of them. And it works for them when they work really hard. For other people who didn't have it ingrained so deeply in their mind, it doesn't work, no matter how hard they tried. I had 3 jobs at one point, and I had a lot of success too in specific times of my life, but I never was able to get to that level as some other people that had those specific beliefs about hard work. This is one thing. The other thing that I see, and this is probably the most important thing, those gurus are telling you something from a position where they are at. They already, maybe they even had a point of their life when they were like lower. They were somewhere here, down, somewhere there. But it was a long time ago. They already forgot it probably. Like they like to tell you they already like raise their vibrations or whatever. So they got to the point here, let's say to the top. Maybe not even to the top, but somewhere high, right? So from here to here, and it's been some time here, right? They already forgot it all because they've been living here for a while. Right? They're telling you it's not applying to you simply because you might be in survival mode here. Somebody having fun music here. A lot of us right now are in survival mode. Economical situation around the world got quite intense. Many people who were able to do it pretty well in life or were able to at least pay their bills, it got more unstable. Those things they are telling you from here, they don't apply to here, if that makes sense. They overcame the survival mode. They are not there for a while. Probably they haven't been there for the longest time. They can't even comprehend it with their mind. It's not working, okay? I've recently been from a series of the situations, recently been through a lot of things, and God opened my mind to see so much. So I'm gonna share about it here. When you're in survival mode, your brain operates absolutely differently. Most of them are not even aware of this, they don't know it. Neuroscience explains things. I like how our brain operates, and it's moldy. There's this neuroplasticity thing that you probably heard because it became so popular lately. And you can basically mold your brain into anything and shape it into anything you want it to become, which is absolutely fascinating, right? But what it have to do with this? They might be telling you, yeah, just do that. Just reshape your brain, renew your mind, whatever. How to do it, right? When you're here, it doesn't just simply happens. There might be a lot of things involved. When you're in survival mode, your brain just operates differently. You have different brain structures involved right now because you're just trying to think from flight or fight mode. You're just looking for things to survive. Your brain especially your reticular activating nervous system, is not gonna see other things around you because it's just gonna doing its main function. It's trying to keep you alive, make sure you survive this. This is why this kind of simplified explanation why this is happening. And I will go more into depth in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.
Bye.